I'm gonna take that video we just made and make that into a video for YouTube, because I just told you how to do it, but you don't know that because we didn't do anything with it yet. All we did was record it. So let's go to YouTube, create. Oops, let's go here. Oops, let's go there, create. Here, I know it's already the way I want it, so I'm not gonna mess with it, I don't think, unless I put some music in there. Probably gonna put some music in there. So let's import this and I'll get back to you. Okay, it's still importing. So I'm sitting here on my couch doing this. TV's up there. I got my computer connected to the wide flat screen TV. I think it's a 60 or 70 inch TV or something they have in this apartment, but I'm using that for my monitor, and I'll show you that another time. But this is what I do. I take a bunch of pictures. I just sit here on my couch with my feet up and make videos like this and watch YouTube or something, or browse, Face Plant, or the other programs I have, Instagram and Threads, or whatever. Okay, so that's what we got. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I make my videos. So I'm not going to forgive me if it's too long, but this is how I do it. What I'm going to do is put music in here. So go down there, sound, look for whatever music you want to put in there. On this side here, on the left side is where you listen to it, you import it on with the arrow. So let me get something that I think is appropriate for this kind of video. Alright, so I had to go into one of their AI tools and tell it I want a certain type of video, music. So that's what it's doing, it's making it. I'm not sure how long these are, let me find out. Alright, so I think so I got something. And I think I had this bar in the wrong spot, but it starts here, and that's fine. I'm not going to mess with it. So now we're going to turn down the sound in this. So you go here, turn down that sound, because I don't want it to mess up me talking. So let's see what that sounds like. So I'm going to string a bunch of pictures together that I took today and make a little video out of it. So here's how you do it. That's good. Let's save that, export it, and now we're going to use the same procedure and upload this to YouTube and make a whole nother video and do the same thing with the description and the other stuff. And that, my friends, is how we do that. So thanks for coming along. We'll see you on the next video.